Hiya, today we're going to make a mixed pepper and mushroom simple curry. Okay, and this is what you need. Half pint of milk you're going to use. We're going to use semi-skimmed, an onion, some hot chilli powder. If you're using hot chilli powder, you're only using 1/4 teaspoon. If you're using the normal, you'll use half. Medium curry powder we're going to use, some garlic powder. Then you can either use mixed herbs or you can use ginger, but I'll show you the method. Tastes nice both ways. Plum tomatoes, a tin, 8 ounces of mushrooms, some mango chutney, which we're going to use a dessert spoon of, just some butter, random butter. You can, if you want, add raisins in, or sultanas, as our cameraman likes. So that's optional, that's up to you. And we have some sliced mixed peppers. We're going to use an handful of them as well. So we'll get it prepared and then we'll get back to you. Okay? Right, we've chopped everything up. We've got a handful of peppers. We've chopped our onion up quite small. We've chopped some mushrooms up. So what we're going to do now is fry off our onion in a little bit of butter until it's soft and going slightly golden. Okay, so we're going to do that on a low heat and then we'll get back to you. So this is about 5 minutes or so. Okay. Yeah. Right, we've fried up our onion and keep stirring it around, obviously. That's been on about 5 minutes. That's gone golden now. So now we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of medium curry powder. And we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. If you haven't got any garlic powder in, you can do it in total with 2 garlic cloves. Okay, but we're using the garlic powder. Put that in. I'm going to stir it around for a minute. And then we'll get back to you. Okay. Right, we've stirred them spices around for a couple of minutes. Now we're going to throw in a tin of plum tomatoes. We've chopped it all up just with a knife to get it in. So we're going to do that. And we're going to throw in the mushrooms as well. Okay? And then we're going to simmer it for about 5 minutes. And your mushrooms will lose a lot of water as well, so they will give it more water. So get that on again. And we'll get back to you in about 5 minutes. Okay? Right, we've simmered it down for about maybe 7 or 8 minutes, so your mushrooms are just going a bit softer now. Now we're going to add 1/2 pint of milk. This is semi-skimmed that we're putting in, so we're going to do that. Because we're using hot chilli powder, we're just going to use 1/4 teaspoon. If you're using the ordinary, like I said, use a 1/2 teaspoon. So let's just get a bit on there. You don't want too much. Okay. We're going to add now, which one do you want to try it with? The teaspoon of mixed herbs or the teaspoon of ginger?
My instinct would be ginger, but I've never had curry with mixed herbs, so we'll go for that.
Yeah, do this one. Yeah, okay. I'm going to add a good teaspoon of mixed herbs. Don't put them both in, use one or the other, okay? But try them both individually and you will enjoy them. Right, we're going to use as well the handful of mixed peppers now goes in. And we're also going to add a dessert spoon of mango chutney. This is a new one on you, isn't it? Putting it in a curry.
Putting it in, yeah.
And then I'm going to simmer it down for a little bit. Okay, so we'll do that. Actually, we're going to add the curry and garlic to taste as well. So we're going to add another 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and another 1/2 teaspoon of curry powder. And then I'm going to simmer it for 20 minutes. Let's just get that as a 1/2 teaspoon. Don't want to come out this one. Half of that. And another 1/2 of this. Okay, now this is just going to simmer down for about 20 minutes and then it's going to be ready. Okay, so just mix it in. Can you see the colour of this now with the milk? But it goes quite thick as well after. Now you can as well. Do you want some raisins in?
Yeah,
it's
go
up
for
to you.
raisins.
Raisins are optional,
Yeah.
but so we'll chuck a few of them in, about that much. Okay? And you try it like that as well. That's up to you whether you put them in or not. Okay? In both, either way. Okay, so we'll get back to you in about 20 minutes. Right, we've had it on just over 20 minutes. If you want to look at it now, so the milk's settled in now. And what you want to do is just make sure that your mushrooms are quite soft. So you get a fork through them. And then that's okay. Okay, and what we're going to do is serve it with some garlic and coriander now.
That's
Did you
the
get?
one.
Yep. Okay, we're going to do that in the dish. Okay? So we'll get back to you. Right, we're going to get some out now, and we're going to serve it with some garlic and coriander naan bread that we've just got from the corner shop. Okay? So, and then our cameraman will tell us how much he wants. How much do you want, cameraman?
I have a bit more than that.
A minute, let's have a good do.
Maybe one more.
One more. We've got to make sure I get you some of these sultana raisins in. Is that enough?
That should
Yeah.
do it.
Okay. That's what you need.